Shalom, family. Shabbat shalom. Blessings to each one of you. Giving praises to the Most High Yah. Praises unto His holy name. So, Puerto Rico, 950 earthquakes so far this year. And, they're saying why. Wow. I'm not sure if anyone, know. You have family over there or know anyone over there. But wow, this is a lot going on there, and I'm quite sure, understanding the history of slavery, that the slave ships went there, and our people, you know, um, the remnant, our remnant is there, and they're not taking heed from earthquakes to hurricane to just different disasters after another is happening. And for one, America is not far as Trump, and not even really acknowledging it. So definitely prayers go out to them, and let's pray for them, and that they would wake up to this understanding. They may not be taking heed. They may not be understanding that they're the chosen. They are a chosen remnant is there, and this is just something that is not, that they're not understanding. They're thinking that, oh, the world is how it is because it's, they sit on a tectonic, as you see their plate, and they're, in the midst and of anything can happen, due to right off there, as far as being on an island, the hurricanes, how they travel. Oh, we're doomed to possibly get it, but they don't know this is the work of the Most High. He controls all of this. So if you have relatives there, if you know anybody there, you want to get this word to them. Like I said, I'm not going to be one to pinpoint or point out and say who is and who is not, but the understanding is that the slave ships went there, and being that said, you know, um, there is our people. I can't say all of them, and I can't say, less of them. However, this is the works of the Most High, and they're not getting it according to what's actually, showing from all the disasters, all the judgment, or what they would probably say, this a cursed island. You know, it just one thing after another. So it says the worst quake, a magnitude of 6.4, struck early Tuesday. Tectonics in Puerto Rico are dominated by convergence between the North America and Caribbean tectonic plates. And probably a year ago, what I received within my spiritual realm from the Most High, I believe, is that the tectonic plates are where you can separate the earth, underneath, either join or separate. And what I got was that Father's going to be doing from east to west. He's going to be the tectonic plate. So anytime I would come across the word, of tectonic plates, I was more so what was given to study on it, to read about it, what that was. So, when I see this, of course, that drew me in for me to look a little closer at it as well. It says more earthquakes are possible in Puerto Rico as is a risk for, a tsunami. So I didn't check out this video yet. Let me see what it says. And it just looked like a war zone, the way it looks from this picture. Let me give moments for that to update. There we go. Let's see. Now, I don't know. It doesn't say this is Puerto Rico, but, I would say so if they have it in this article. Okay, it's still buffing there. So let's start up when it can. Okay, following a series of earthquakes, the situation in Puerto Rico remains dire, with more than 2,000 people in shelters, nearly 1 million without power, hundreds of thousands without water as of Thursday. Okay, so dealing with, as far as the geological survey, there have been more than 950 earthquakes and aftershocks recorded on Puerto Rico since December the 31st. Wow. Okay. So the worst quake in magnitude of 6.4, and that, as they say, struck on last Tuesday. And of course, this aftershock's going to come in. Okay, let me see if this one is going to load up correctly.
Miren eso. Como pueden ver aquí,
So often, one say they can, oh, this is why it's happening. So it says here, why Puerto Rico is experiencing so many earthquakes. The tectonics in Puerto Rico are dominated by the convergence of North America and the Caribbean tectonic plates, with the islands being squeezed between. So they're giving you a picture, letting you see, what is what. But this is the hand of the Most High family, and I don't know if they understand what this all means, but, I would say, let's keep them in our prayers, that they will wake up unto this truth. And for those who know anyone there personally, reach out to them. Let them know, who they are and what this is about. Let them know the history, because definitely this is a lot right here. So I will share this link. And if you want it, because it hit, you could see where it hit here between January the 3rd and the 10th. It's on one side of the island more so than any other side. Wow. Wow. See, all before, we would think, well, it's just something just happened. But no, Most High is in control of all things, all things. All right, family. Shabbat Shalom to each one of you.